The Element IQ system really does the thinking for you and allows you to get the repeatable, good quality results that you're looking for without compromise. When you're roasting, because you're using a roasting tray and rack, you're not getting as much radiant energy from the bottom elements because that roasting tray is actually shielding that radiant energy. So what we have to do in order to compensate for that is you actually put more heater power into the bottom elements as opposed to the top elements while you're roasting. The ideal result when you're roasting, for example, a chicken is you want that real nice crispy skin on the outside, but you want the kind of nice and moist and you don't want it to dry out in the center. That's what we focus on when we're looking for results for roasting. For baking, because you're actually using a baking tray or tin and the food is actually touching that, you get the conductive energy from that tin so that you don't actually need to increase the power in the bottom like you do with roasting, so you get a more even split of your power intensity. With baking, for example, it can be a lot more delicate as well. You need to make sure that your temperature is very accurate and you want a nice even result throughout your cake or whatever you're making. So that's what we replicate then when we're baking.